Hi guys, welcome back. This is my front lawn. You can just see the outline of my last mow, which was diamonds. So I think today I might do double, single, wide stripes. Probably see it's ready for being dethatched. These brown patches in. But I think that will be for a job in the week. But we'll see how it looks doing single double. I've not done single double on this one, I don't think. So we'll see how it goes using the cordless battery mower. So I did diamonds on the back lawn with this. But I lost one bar, so that should be plenty to do the front lawn. Same as ever, we'll start off, we'll do a edge pass, so that's just round all the edges, and then we'll do a straight lines. Yeah, so there you go guys, single, double wide lines. Simple but effective, do like that. Yeah, lawn's not looking too bad, still these spots there, but like I say, I'll go through with the scarifier, get it all out, put some more seed down, and job's good. Back in. Yeah, it started to rain, so glad I've done now. So we'll just get this under cover, and we'll see how much battery life is left. There is still 2 bars, so yeah, well chuffed with that. It's been a good day in the lawn, and that's it for today. If you liked it, give us a like, any comments, description below. Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Any suggestions? Don't forget to subscribe, really appreciate that, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.